Okay, this is where Gina and I stay. Then here's where Danny and Gina are. There's the bathroom. And that's the main one. It's our first day. We left Road Town this morning and came over here to get some shelter from the brutal wind. And we're going to watch the Super Bowl way down there at the beach bar tonight. We took our dinghy into shore and walked to the nearby beach. And then we snorkeled over there. Hey girls, say hi.
Hi, Jojo.
Oh, look at the rainbow. So this is Super Bowl Sunday. We came in from way down there. Phil, we're gonna watch Super Bowl on that big white screen tonight. Have dinner over here at the Ocean 7 Beach Club. It's a really cool place. It's like a little off the beaten path island where it's kind of I noticed that.
They just got these in today.
Gotta eat for just that. Gotta eat for just that.
Here's where they're gonna have the Super Bowl. Taking the long We started way down there this morning. We were on Peter Island and we're taking a long uphill sail. 40 to 25 at the 30 knot winds sailing into the Bill and Denny are sleeping below deck. We're doing motor sailing. Get there. We got 4 more miles to our destination. You can see that, but 6 knots, 4 miles to go. About 45 minutes. Hey, say hi.
Another great day.
Yeah, isn't it? That's where we are, Little Dick's Bay, Gorda, Virgin Gorda. Now I came out just to get my camera, which I have now. Go back in.
Jessica goes, no, Jessica. Yeah.
Hey, Gina.
Hi. We were like, well, we thought that was going to go on. Yeah. Forever.
What, Gina?
I'm on fly kite.
You are? Let me get that out of your way, Phil.
Thanks.
The only salsa they have is mild. That's why we got hot.
Oh,
Hi, Denny.
Joe, rough day.
It is. It's been a very difficult day for us.
Yeah.
Hey, sweet thing.
I was like a woman of...
Joe, put it back on. This is my new heaven.
We gotta talk louder, we got JT.
No, I can hear her.
Yo, biatch, this is my new heaven.
Hi, Jean.
Hi, ready
Hi,
for a
hon.
mech.
To properly document this trip.
3 of my laundry. Taking it down. It's dry, right, Danny?
Yeah, baby.
It's gonna fall apart, Danny, so I'm gonna end up
Like peanut
cutting it up.
PF Chang's
Oh, yeah.
chicken lettuce wrap.
I'm gonna grab some of these beautiful cucumbers.
Season 52.
Beautiful cucumbers. Don't tell them how much.